Good morning, students. We will today discuss about extraction of aluminium. So you know that metals are cannot be found in the pure form on the earth crust. They are always associated with chemical and physical impurities present in it, and in order to get the pure state we have to do the process of extraction. Let us discuss how extraction of aluminium is done. Now aluminium, if you see, it is a silvery white metal and it is the most abundant metal that is found on the earth's crust. Most abundant means it is the largest quantity, it is only the metal that is found in the largest quantity on the earth's crust. So it is the most abundant metal. Now you should know different ores of aluminium. You can see bauxite is the famous ore, which is called hydrated aluminium oxide. Then we have another ore of aluminium, cryolite, which is sodium aluminium fluoride. And we have corundum, which is aluminium oxide, which is also called alumina. So we are going to start how the extraction is done. Here we are going to start with the purification of the ore first. If you remember, I told you extraction involves 4 different steps. First is the concentration, where the purification of ore is done. Second is the conversion into oxide ore. Third is reduction, and the fourth is refining. So we are going to first start with the purification of ore, which is done by leaching process. There are 4 ways by which the concentration or purification is done. If you remember, froth flotation, gravity separation, then we have magnetic separation, and the last is leaching, which is the chemical method. So for aluminium we are going to use the leaching or the chemical method for the purification of ore. Let us see. So we have the first method, which is purification of ore. Now here for the extraction of aluminium we prefer bauxite ore, which contains around 60% of aluminium. You can see the formula Al2O3.2H2O, and it is by the leaching method that we can do. So first step is, as you know, leaching method is the method where we have to add the chemicals. So here the chemical is caustic soda. So aluminium Al2O3.2H2O with NaOH. We have to heat it to about 140 to 150 degrees Celsius, where we can obtain sodium meta-aluminate plus water. And one more thing you should remember here, that in this bauxite ore we have the impurities like ferric oxide, titanium oxide, and sand. So when we dissolve this bauxite ore into sodium hydroxide, we obtain sodium meta-aluminate that dissolves in caustic soda, leaving behind the impurities as a red mud, which consists of, as I said, ferric oxide, sand, etc. Now, and then once we find sodium aluminate, we have to filter it to make it free from the impurities called red mud, and then we have to dilute it by adding water. When we add water to it and the temperature is dropped to 50 degrees Celsius, where we obtain sodium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide. Now this sodium hydroxide once can be again reused for in the first step to dissolve more and more bauxite ore in it. And you can see we have obtained aluminium hydroxide. So the third step will be to strongly heat this aluminium hydroxide to around 1000 degrees Celsius, where we can obtain alumina and plus H2O. So you can see here we have got alumina here. So not only we have done the concentration of the ore, but we have also converted the concentrated ore into oxide, which we have got aluminium oxide. And now so this process is over, where the first two methods are completed. Next we will be coming to the reduction method to remove this oxygen, which can be done by electro reduction process. That I will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.